Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. In a large bowl, place 1 pound or 450 grams of ground beef. Friends, it warms my heart to see where you're from, share your country and city, and if you're in the US, let me know your state. Crack in 1 egg. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1 teaspoon of dried garlic. Finely chop 1 bunch of parsley. Today we're making a dish that brings comfort straight to the table. A recipe that brings back the feeling of cozy kitchens from years past, where the smell of dinner drifted through the house and everything was made by hand. Add to the bowl. Next, add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Finely chop a small bunch of green onions. If you have any questions about the recipes, leave them in the comments, and I'll respond as soon as I notice them. Add to the bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of mustard. Mix everything thoroughly until smooth and well combined. There's something peaceful about this mixing process, just like it was done in kitchens, where recipes lived in memory, not on paper. Pour some olive oil into a frying pan. If you liked the video, feel free to give it a like. Your support is always welcome. Finely chop 1 onion. Friends, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell if you'd like to see more recipes like this one. Add it to the pan. Sauté the onion over medium heat until soft. The soft sizzle that follows is the same one we've all heard growing up. It fills the kitchen with comfort. Now, grate 1 carrot. Add to the pan with the onion. Stir fry for another 2 to 3 minutes. Finely dice 1 red bell pepper. Just like we remember from childhood, when moms or grandmas stood by the counter, patiently preparing the family meal. Add to the pan. Stir well. Finely dice 1 yellow bell pepper. Add to the pan. Stir again. Dice 1 tomato in the same way. Chopping and cooking fresh vegetables like this brings back quiet moments from our childhood kitchens, when time moved slower and every meal was made with care. Add to the pan. Stir again. Add 1 tablespoon of Italian herb mix. Stir and cover with a lid. Let everything stew for 5 to 7 minutes. Now, take a portion of the meat mixture and spread it evenly over a tortilla. Place another tortilla on top. Melt 1/2 stick or 60 grams of butter. Brush it generously over the top tortilla. Take another portion of the meat and spread it on top. Roll the tortilla into a tight roll. Cut it into even slices, just like shown in the video. Drizzle a baking dish with olive oil. Spoon the stewed vegetables into the bottom of the dish. Place the tortilla rolls on top of the vegetables. Pour 1 cup or 250 milliliters of chicken broth into the center of the dish. Place the dish in the oven at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 20 minutes. Grate 7 ounces or 200 grams of cheddar cheese. After 20 minutes, take the dish out of the oven. Gently turn each roll over with tongs. Sprinkle the grated cheese on top. Return the dish to the oven for another 20 minutes until golden and bubbling. Finally, chop a small bunch of parsley. take the dish out of the oven. Place a few rolls on a plate. Spoon the warm vegetables. Sprinkle with fresh parsley. That's it. Savory tortilla meat rolls, baked to perfection with tender vegetables and topped with a bubbling golden crust. A dish that brings people together, just like the family meals we grew up with, filled with stories, laughter, and a sense of home. I hope this recipe brings the same sense of warmth and joy to your family as it does to mine. Thank you for cooking with me today. Until next time, happy cooking.